Hello and welcome to my video today. Today is going to be a maintenance video. I'm going to be showing you how to install wiper blade replacements on the Fisker Ocean. If you happen to live in an area that is harsh on the wiper blades, you may need to replace them sooner than later. Mine are actually in pretty good condition after a year. However, I thought it'd be a good video to show everyone how to replace these if yours are wearing out. So what I'm gonna do is show you these up close, unboxing them, and then I'm going to install them on the car itself. So let's get started. Well, here we go. We have the two replacement blades. We have the larger one, which is for the driver's side or left side, and the other one is for the passenger or right side. The specific measurements are 27.5 inches or 700 millimeters for this one. And this one is 15.75 inches or 400 millimeters. So let me take one of these out and I'll show you what it looks like. Actually, let me show you what we have here. So these are silicone wiper blades, and it comes with a variety of blade arm attachments. The one that is used by the Fisker Ocean is called the PTB or push tab button. So that's the one that we want to see on here. And yeah, so that's about it for the information on this one. Supposedly these are long lasting and perform well in hot, cold, and inclement weather. So I will open this up. All right, so here is the blade itself. They have a little protective plastic on here that we're gonna keep on it until we install it on the car. So let's see. Here are the different adapters that come with it. So let's look at the instructions. They have an A adapter. So it looks like the PTB uses that adapter. And the B adapter is for narrow PTB. So we are going to be using the A adapter. So the A adapter is this guy right here. So we'll put the other one away. All right, so it says to remove this adapter here. So it says to pull it up and take it out. And we are going to now install the new one like so. There's a little area here where it goes into. So we will put it in like that, follow the arrow, and then it should snap into place like that. And that's how it should look. So let me do the same for the other one. All right, so here is the larger one. I'm going to pull up on the adapter, remove this one. Then I'm going to take the A adapter here, insert it into the groove. Do it a little bit closer up here so you can see it better. Into the groove, snap, push down, and it will snap into place. And there we go. We now have both of the wiper blades ready for installation. So let's go to the car and check it out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go into settings. Then we're going to go to vehicle and service. And then we're going to put the wipers into service mode. Oh, I need to make sure that the wipers are turned off. And then we can turn this on. So one thing we'll need to do is leave the key in the center console here. And what we're going to be doing is, by doing that, we can have the service mode stay on as long as the car is active. If you don't do that, the service mode will turn off after about 2 minutes, and that's not good. You may accidentally have the blades go down, and it could damage the windshield itself or the hood. So we don't want that to happen. So once everything is set, we can go out and replace the wipers. Here we have both the wipers. We have the left side and the right side up in the service position. Let's compare the new blades to the existing. If I put it side by side, it is about the same length. So it is a match for this one. And let's look at the one over here. And that one is also a match. So what you need to do, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. You can see on the end of the wiper here, we have this button. So we're going to depress the button here and then slide the actual blade out from the top. And there we go. Make sure you don't let this fall down because it could hit the glass. So we don't want that. So if you can, try to put something underneath it, such as a towel. And then we have the new blade here. I'm going to take the protective cover off, slide that off. And then we're going to put it on so that we see the tabs here. The tabs are what's going to be going into the arm. So I am going to insert it like that. Press down the A. There we go. And then it will guide it through. And then you'll hear it snap when it's all the way in the position. So now it is locked. And it's not moving. Let's do the same thing for the passenger side. I'm going to press the button and then gently pull on the blade. May have to wiggle it a little bit. There we go. We have the old one out. And now we have the new one. Take that protective plastic off. Just like the other side, we're going to insert the blade with the tab on into the opening. And then press it in, slide all the way, and you'll hear it snap. And you'll see the little tab come up, and it's now installed. So we have both of the blades replaced. We have the driver's side and the passenger side, and we are good. So you can go into the car and turn service mode off, and that will put them in the lower position. I'm going to do it again in close up so you can see the detail. Press the button in all the way and then pull out in that direction. Insert the new blade. snaps into place. When that's sticking out, you know it's good. Here's another view of the blades. This is the new one on the left and the old one on the right. Let me get them aligned up so you can see them. They have a very similar look to the cross section. And I'll be testing these new ones out and see how they perform compared to the originals. And I'll let you know in a future video. Well, there we go. We have both of these done. There are a number of different replacements available online. I'll have the links in the video description for these blades, along with, I think, at least 2 others that are compatible with the Fisker Ocean. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.